Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm just going to get straight into it, guys. This is an amazing day. There's been an amazing update with Photoshop. Although it's in beta, it is mind-blowing what it can do. Let's get straight to it. Here we are, the first image. I have a couple images that I want to introduce you guys to. I'm going to go through and show you guys the image that I want to work on. But the first image I'm going to go through, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to press L for the lasso tool, and all I'm going to do is just select all the vehicles in the shot. I'm going to hold on my shift key and I'll just speed up just so we don't take too long in this video, like so. And once you select that, there's a little thing that's going to come up right here. It says generative fill. You click on it. You can type in anything that you want, but for this, we don't need to type anything at all. All you click on is generate. And right now it's accessing the clouds. So just be patient. This is based on your internet connection. So just be patient. And once it's done, you're going to just be amazed. And it's almost done. We're getting there. Almost there. And look at that, guys. It is not perfect, so just keep that in mind. Set your expectations accordingly. All right, so once it generates, it gives you three options, and you can actually click through to see which one you like. And I think this third one right here is really nice. Number 2 is nice as well. That to me, guys, is just amazing. And what it does is when it changes or adds any kind of thing to the picture, it actually emulates the lighting and the colors. So that to me is game changer. Let's move on to the other image. So over here now we have this landscape with the waterfront and these boats in the front. Let's say now I was the one who took the shot and I want to remove these leaves, all right? So same thing, the lasso tool, all I'm gonna do is just trace around. So we have our selection, and all we do is click on generative fill, generate, and just let it do its magic. I'm totally blown away by this, guys. And this for me, as someone who does like skin retouching and everything, this is going to be something that is going to help you to work faster. You know, so I can't wait for it to be fully out. But right now it's doing an amazing job and I'm happy for it. Look at that. Like I said, it's not perfect, but you can go through each of the samples and see which one do you like. And let's say you don't like it, you can just click on generate again and it's going to go through and scan again. So let's let it scan again and see what happens. But this in itself is just mind-blowing. Look at that. You know, let's scan through. Look at that. That's not bad. Look at that one. I like that one. Oh my. If you go from the before and the after, that is just amazing. Look at the reflection that it actually put here on the waterfront right here. Come on, guys. If that's not something, come on, smash that like button, guys. Come on. That is just amazing. All right, so let's go to our third image. This to me now, so let's say you did a vertical shot and you're like, oh my God, I really wanted to make it a wider shot. So here what we're gonna do now, we're gonna press C on the keyboard, and all we're gonna do, make sure you don't have delete crop pixels once you start open it up. All right, so all you do now, you're gonna just drag it over, like so. You drag it over, like so, okay? You commit, click on the tick, and all you do, you're gonna go here to your marquee, and all you do, you select the blank area and a part of the actual image. You select it, You hold on your shift key and you drag to the other side. Once that is done, you select generative fill once more. Let's click on generate and let it do its magic. You just sit back and wait. The one thing I've learned is that I think Adobe is using their stock photos, so it's going through all their stock photos and generating images from those photos to create what we are seeing on our final results. So I think that is pretty amazing. Look at that. It's not perfect. If you look at this left side right here, it is definitely not perfect. But let's scan through and see what the other options are. Wow, look at that. That to me is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let me just generate again just to see what else is going to bring to the forefront. All right, let's go again. But that to me, guys, come on. That is game changer. And it's in the beta form right now. It's doing an amazing job. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, look at the window. And if you notice, it makes sure to create a window that emulates where the light is actually coming from. It's hitting the left side of her face. That is crazy. That is just mind-blowing. Wow. I like that one. And even right here, you can see it even emulate some reflection. Even though it's not perfect, that is crazy. That is just mind-blowing. My favorite one though is actually, let me see, this one and that one. So let's try something else. What if, I've never done this before, but let's say I do a marquee right over this area right here and I click generative fill. What will happen? Let's just play and see. 1 second. If it works, it works. You can't say we never tried. But for me, this kind of feature just opens the door to so many possibilities. Let's see. Look at that. Wow. 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 That, I like that. So look at where we started, right? Compared to where we are. Look at that. That to me is amazing. Come on guys, smash that like button. And guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, subscribe to the channel for more, okay? Let's move on to our fourth image over here. All right, so let's say you took this shot, you took it and you say, boy, you're leaving that left side for the dead space for text or whatever. But for whatever reason, you say you wanted to add something, you never had the item, and let's say we're just going to do that. So we're going to go to the M, so press M on your keyboard, right? And then all we're gonna do is just draw a rectangle right here in this spot. This time now we're gonna use some text, all right? So we'll click on generative fill and I'm gonna say vanilla ice cream. And let's see what it does. Let's just wait for it to do its magic. Wow! It even created the little beads that were on the table, and it makes it a little bit more blurred because it's actually going through the glass at the bottom. That is crazy. Let's look at the other options. Wow. Wow. And what I'm amazed by is the fact that it tries to recreate the lighting. Oh, wow. Wow. I love this one. This one is really good. Really, really, really good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Man, guys, this is a game changer. You guys go and check it out for yourself. If you guys want to know how to get it, all you do is you go and click on your Adobe Cloud over here. And all you do, once you go into the app section, you go down to where it says beta. And then you just click. You're going to see here, I already installed it as you can see, but you will see an install button. And all you do is click on install. and install it because it's a public beta. So you guys can all try it out for yourself. Guys, don't hesitate. Go try it. Play with whatever image that you guys want to do and enjoy it. All right, guys, that's going to be it for now. I just really wanted to share this with you guys. And guys, continue to be safe. Stay out there. Have fun. Be creative, guys. And I will see you guys later. Peace.